Florence Nightingale, born on May 12, 1820, was a pioneering nurse and social reformer. Known as the founder of modern nursing, she gained fame during the Crimean War for her efforts to improve sanitary conditions in military hospitals. Her dedication reduced the death rate significantly. Nightingale emphasized the importance of hygiene, proper nutrition, and compassionate care. She established the Nightingale Pledge, promoting ethical nursing practices. Her legacy continues to influence nursing education and healthcare worldwide, inspiring countless individuals to pursue careers in nursing and patient care.